Hey everyone, thanks for stopping by. Hey, apologize for the video quality and audio here, but just doing something in the field that I thought might help somebody out with signal strength issues on their Tango 2. Some things you want to look at. So if you were to go ahead and power up the Tango 2 and hit the menu button, and then you'll see this menu come up, so Crossfire menu, and click on your wheel one time, and then you'll see another menu of Tango 2XF, and click your wheel again, and then it'll come in here, and you'll see down here, you see max power at 250 milliwatt. Well, originally this transmitter came stock at 100 milliwatts. I don't think they come stock at 25, but this one came stock at 100 milliwatts. So we want to make sure we change our value there to whatever you wanted, and then go 2 down. You see the frequency? That was stock at 868. So I had to change it to 915 because I live in the United States. So we want to make sure that's set up for 915. So hey, I hope that this video helps somebody out. You can just hit back, exit all the way back out, and you're done. So this is just something I was hoping would help somebody having issues with the RSSI dropping at like 10 feet away or 20 feet away. So these two items need to be changed. So hopefully this helped out. Give me a thumbs up if it did, and in the comments, and if it didn't, give me a thumbs down. It all works. Enjoy the breeze.